We are going to commissary right now. Okay, we're almost there. You wanna see Ate Janice Be and Chef Sarah Lee? Do you wanna see? Huh?
How they're doing?
Yeah. Do you wanna see them? We're almost there. We're here. Beep beep. So the Janice don't know that we're coming. So let's wait. So we're just surprise them there that we're
Lipat-pat dari.
Pat. So we're here. We're coming.
Si Fatima.
Fatima is here.
Naguma kayo. Ikat lang, ikat.
No. Ay, kabalo ba ikaw ako i-edit?
I will edit that one.
No. Sarah Lee, we're
Alam ko ba?
coming. Are you excited?
Yes.
Yeah, so we're almost there. Darling. Ang tagal mo makaparking be. Hi, so are you excited be? We wanna see them. You hold first. Ay, kurubati ha. I give money for them. Para na taste na.
Oh, ramili tagay ko.
Iyak naman.
Tagay ko gamay kay gutom biyak ko. You know, I'm hungry. Hindi na pa mo dade.
Okay, let's go. Let's go, Sarah.
Daddy.
Dali na.
Wala magpakuha.
No, kay video ka para ba? Dali na. Nari pa. At the back.
Mami, dito.
Ay, ikaw na pala.
Nine or 11?
What happened here?
20. 11 na ng box na. Akala ko.
Video rin.
Nasa chef? Wala. Madam, kaya nakilala ka. Kaya ba?
Wala siya.
Ang pag-snack sa mo. Madam, basi ganan ka mo palit ang talong. Ang muna na po siya, sir.
Uy, tagal ko pala. Ako na doon na. Wala na, pilang ng kilo.
Kuan, naipito dia.
Oh, pagpalit niyo ka ng makaon-kaon pares ano. Okay.
Hi, very
Now say hi to them. Hi. So nag-busy kami before we go to the church. Kaya pa, Pat?
Doon na shirt man mo talong.
Wala may nag-start sa talong.
Talong sobra.
Bye.
Wala. Na may mga kuan ka ng adjust.
Na bye for now.
Yan,
Sarah Lynn,
nag-adjust
say
sila
bye.
sa last day.